Alright guys, we're on our way to Auburn Car Repair and Off-Road, getting the Deavers installed in the rear and the Eibach springs up front. Hopefully, Discount Tire will have my 37s today. If they do, we'll knock out the wheels and tires today as well. Auburn Car Repair and Off-Road. I've taken a lot of my previous vehicles to this shop. They do really good work. John Matthews is a good guy. Taking my JL Wrangler, Toyota Tundra, and now my 17 Ford Raptor. One last before shot of how she's looking. I'll be back around 3:34 after they get the Deavers and the springs installed, and we'll see how she's looking. Just got the call that the truck was done. Gonna go ahead and call myself an Uber, and we're gonna go ahead and pick up the truck. And other good news, just got a call from Discount Tire that the 37s are in, so we're gonna go ahead and get those installed today as well. Got the Eibach springs installed. Let's go. And the Deavers in the back, and dang, she looks so good. A lot more clearance up in the front. Oh man, that looks amazing. There are the Deavers, +3 HD. We're gonna go ahead and head to Discount Tire, try to slap on some 37s before they close, but could not be happier. Initial impressions of the ride with the Eibach springs up front, with the 2.5-inch lift in the front, and the Deavers in the back. So far so good. I don't notice any difference in harshness whatsoever. It drives awesome. I think it drives a lot better than it did before. It's soaking up like the little things, like little dips in the road, a lot better. Whereas before, with the stock suspension, it kind of felt a little floaty, like the rear was kind of lifting up on you with that pogo stick feeling. Truck's back in the garage. It's about 4:45. I'm going to try to race a Discount Tire in the next 15 minutes, but I want to do a quick new remeasurement to see how much we actually gained. I gotta load up these wheels, but before I do that, I want to try to do an apples to apples comparison here. She's at almost at 42 inches there. That's exactly 2.5 inches, so awesome. Super happy with that result. Let's take a look here from the rear. We were at 43 inches, so wow, 2 inches. 2 inches up in the rear, because before she was at 41. So she will settle, but super happy with that result. And just because I know people are gonna ask, I'm gonna figure out how tall the truck is before I throw on 37, so let's do that real quick. All right, so with the level, she's at 78.5, not bad, still under 80 inches. That is good news. With the 37s, I think she might still stay under 80 inches, so I can still fit in those parking garages in downtown Seattle. All right guys, we're at Discount Tire. Truck's about to go into the shop. All the wheels are in the back. Just one last before shot of how she looks. There she goes, going in the shop. They're super busy today, lots of lineup. Oh yeah, that looks really good. Yeah.
You just clear everything perfect.
Yeah, it should clear. Oh man, that looks amazing. Alright guys, just got the 37th installed on the new KMC GRS, satin black. That thing looks so good. Hopefully it's coming through and the harsh sunlight's not affecting the picture, but damn, that looks amazing. I'm gonna hop to the other side, give you guys a shot of the front. Show you guys this side. Let's do a lock to lock, see if she clears. She should clear no problem. I did a little bit of minor trimming right down here. I just took a little heavy duty shear and just rounded this out a little bit. Go ahead and test it. All right, so that's full lock. And yeah, we're just clearing. But this is just plastic back here. I could trim this up a little higher if I want to, but it's good for on-road. Man, that looks so freaking good. Loving the new setup. We'll get you guys a little bit of a side stance, a little bit of poke, maybe about an inch, but for the most part, tires still tucked within the fender there. Shot from the rear. I'll get you guys some better angles later. Just gonna head home. It's been a busy day. New Eibach springs, looks so good. Looks like we're clearing the control arm. No issues. Let's go and check out the other side. Yeah, plenty of space. We're not close to anything on this side whatsoever. We're gonna do the other side lock. All right, we're locked on the other side. And we're good. Nice and clear. Again, just took a little heavy duty shear and cut this at an angle. And we're not rubbing. So there it is. All right guys, thank you for watching. I'll get you guys some better angles in a follow-up video.